We need to simplify the following logarithmic expression. So let us begin. So we will begin by factorizing 70. So we'll have log of, so the 70 can be also written as 7 times 10, and 10 will be 2 times 5. So we have 7 times 2 times 5. So those will be the factors of 70 divided by 33. So 33 will be 3 times 11 plus log of 22. So 22 will be 2 times 11 divided by 135. So the factors will be 5 times 2, 27. So that's 35. And 27 will be 3 cubed. That means we have 5 times 3 cubed. Plus, so here we're going to use a property that negative log of a. So that's equivalent to log of 1 over a. We have negative log of 7 over 18. So this is also equivalent to positive log of 18 over 7. So we have log of 18. So the factors of 18 will be 3 times 6, and 6 will be 2 times 3. So that means we have 3 squared, which is 9. 9 times 2 is 18 divided by 7. So now we have log of a. If we consider this as a, this is b and c. So we can use the property that log of a plus log of b is equals to log of a times b. So this will give us log of 7 times 2 times 5 divided by 3 times 11 multiplied to 2 times 11 divided by 5 times 3 raised to the power of 3 times 3 squared times 2 divided by 7. So here a couple of terms will get cancelled out. So 7 and 7 goes away. 11 and 11 goes away. 5 and 5 goes away. Now we are left with log of, with 2, 2, 2 repeating 3 times. So 2 cubed times 3 squared in the numerator divided by 3 raised to the power of 4 in the denominator. So that means we can also cancel out 3 squared and 3 raised to the power of 4. So that will be 3 squared in the denominator. That means we are left with log of 2 cubed minus log of 3 squared. So here we have used another property, that log of a divided by b. So that's equivalent to log of a minus log of b. Furthermore, we can also use the property that log of a raised to the power of b. So that will be equals to b times log of a. That means we have 3 times log of 2 minus 2 times log of 3. So this is going to be the final simplified expression for our given logarithmic expression.